Afternoon guys, hope you're all well. So today and yesterday Martin's been working on this 2018 Swift Besser car. It's a 424, there's loads of the Swift Besser car models and this one's a little diddy one. This vehicle has come to us for our really popular front and rear parking sensors. So 4 colour-coded sensors wired into the reverse trigger with an audible buzzer in the rear section of the motorhome. As soon as you put your vehicle into reverse gear, you then get the audible beeps. Now, at the front of the vehicle, we've also done 4 colour-coded parking sensors as well, but they're connected to a little colour segment display. If you've not seen any of our videos before, we will show you that up on the dashboard. But failing that, have a look at our YouTube channel because we have got loads of them that we've done recently as well. So join me around the front, we'll show you the front ones. This particular motorhome today has got a very tired engine battery, so we've had to have the engine running because we've had to jump start it several times. So we've got a new battery ordered, that's arriving tomorrow, new AGM stop start to solve all of these problems. But that's the reason why you've got the engine running on this particular one. Also today on the estate, we've got a really old Lotus Esprit up there, which is also out there with his engine running and very, very throaty. Sounds a lot nicer than the diesels. So here we've got the 4 colour-coded front parking sensors, got 1 on each corner and then 1 either side of the number plates. All the wiring then gets routed down in through the engine bay into the driver's side where it's connected to the module and then talks to the lovely colour segment display which you're about to see on screen now. That's it. Now you can join me in the front and I'll show you also what else we've been doing. Right, inside the cabin we have fitted the Alpine INE W720 DC, so that's the W720 DC. This is a dedicated 7-inch Alpine motorhome navigation system. This particular product comes with 2 years warranty, 3 years free mapping updates, and basically allows you to have peace of mind whilst you are out on your adventures with dedicated motorhome mapping database. It's also got wired Apple CarPlay, wired Android Auto, and the single USB has been popped conveniently in the top glove box on the top passenger side. Also at the same time, we have fitted the new Mark II of the hugely popular Dash Gadget. Now this Dash Gadget or multifunction display, there's a previous model and then there's this one. This is the newer one with a lot more functions and features, and also has various other LED lighting and whatnot. So please do check out our website if you want to know more about this, because it's got some really cool features, from pitch and roll to compass, time, day, date, temperature, battery voltage, barometer, altitude, coordinates, loads of stuff. So it's a great bit of kit. Now, what we will do is we will just drive this vehicle up to a wall or something to show you what the front sensors look like up on the display, so that you can see that, and then we're done. So if anything that you've seen on this video today is of interest to you guys, then please get in touch, whether it's the INE 720 DC dedicated navigation system, the new fancy Mark II display with LED lights, or the front and rear parking sensors for this coach built vehicle, then please do get in touch with us. Website link is in the bio. Failing that, just pop onto our website. You'll find a contact form there. Just pop down a various few details, and then we can get back to you with a quote and go from there. And thank you very much.